Hope you're all doing fine. Let's have a quick chit chat with our band's vocalist. So let's go.
Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. So I'm Vasavi, the lead vocalist of band Adrenalics. So happy to meet you after a long time.
Vasvi, can you share the things that you do before you head to a show with our audience?
The first thing that a vocalist needs is a set list. So set list is nothing but a list of songs that he or she is going to sing that day. So we do a lot of gigs in different places. Like we do private parties and we do perform in the restaurant. So there are a lot of places where we actually perform. So it depends on the place where we actually perform decides the set list.
The next question is, can you let us know how do you come up with a song selection for a particular venue?
So I put in the set list which people would enjoy it. That is one point, and which also shows my talent. That is the next point, and which also makes people dance. That is the third point. So I should always keep in mind all these essentialities of putting up songs into a list.
Thanks, Vasvi. Also, what are your favorite numbers from your song list?
One of the songs which I personally like is our cover version of Rara. So Rara ante you would have been wondering what song is that. So Rara is the song from Chandramukhi. You are wondering how we are going to do it, right? So you can always check out our videos on our page Adrenalics, and so this is a cover version, like the fusion version of Rara. So Rara Sarasakurara. So this song, which is a soothing song, we have made it into a fusion. So that is one of my favorite songs out of my own list. And the second song that I like is a cover version of Samajavaragamana song that is recently released from Ala Vaikuntapuramlo. So Samajavaragamana, we have started it with a light note on swaras.
Hey, 1 second. Can you sing that once for our audience?
Ni ni sa sa ni ni sa sa ni ni sa sa ni sa ga ni sa ga ni sa ga ni sa ni sa ga ma pa ma ga ma ga sa ga ni sa ga ni sa ni sa ga ma pa ma ni pa ma ga sa ga ni sa ma ga ma sa ga ni sa pa ma pa sa ga ni sa ni pa sa ni pa ma ga ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ni pa ma ga ma sa. So it goes on like this. So it comes out with a beautiful start. That is our cover version of Samajavaranama. It's one of my own favorites. And the third song is the song which I always end with. My set list always ends with this song. That is Love You Zindagi. I always make sure that I put up some funky numbers or some kind of people engaging songs at the end of our show. So one of that kind is Love You Zindagi. So everyone would dance for that song, and I myself enjoy singing it a lot. So that is Love You Zindagi at the end of my show. So I'll always make sure that I wrap up with Love You Zindagi. So that is my kind of ending it up.
That was beautiful. How do you maintain your vocals, Vasvi?
My experience about my voice texture or how I maintain it. So I keep practicing. So I keep practicing at least half an hour a day. So I usually practice the high pitch notes. So there is this. Carnatic practice that is there for the high pitch practice. So we can always keel sthai, male sthai. You would all have already known it. So I usually practice for half an hour because I hardly get time because we all work, and this is one of our passion which we cannot leave behind. So we all work and also perform. So I always make sure I at least spend half an hour for practicing. And the second thing, if you want to practice, your voice is too bad, okay, my voice is too bad before the stage performance, then what do? So what I do is basically I just refresh my voice by drinking something hot, maybe a ginger tea. That would really help me a lot because the something drinking really hot makes your voice soothen, and that works for me. I don't know how much it works for the others. So drinking hot fluids actually help you a lot. And The next thing comes is you can always make I always make sure that I have this songs which have a very high pitch, so I just make sure before going on to the stage I myself equip with the voice of going for a high pitch. So if I'm singing songs like "O Rang Rez," so it needs a lot of falls and even my head voice. So if I'm singing that kind of songs, I'll be always making sure that I'm equipped with that kind of a song.
Cool. What are the pre-stage activities that you do before the start of the concert?
Sound check is very important before a stage show, so I will always make sure that the sound of my microphone is audible to me on my monitors, and only if it comes out, that is where the real excellence of an sound engineer and also a vocalist shine up. So that is it.
Thanks a lot, Vaspi, for letting us know what happens backstage. Now let's talk to our main vocalist. Hey, that was a soothing arpeggio. Can you brief us about yourself to our followers?
Hey all, this is Vinod Sharma. I'm a design engineer by profession and a musician by passion. So I'm one of the lead vocalists in the band Adrenolics. I play guitar too.
Being a singer, what do you think that impacts your vocals?
Diet. So basically, I won't prefer a heavy meal at once. So I'll take food 5 times a day. And every day in the morning, I'll be having a glass of ginger lemon. So it'll, suits it gives comfort to my throat.
Oh, okay. How does your vocal warm-up riyaz goes?
My basic riyas consist of the akarams for gamakas, and I prefer to listen the song multiple times, like on a loop, at least 30 to 50 times, to let the song register. Every time you listen to the song, you'll notice a strange point, like a new thing, like you'll understand the beauty of the bass structure in the song, or the harkats which taken is in the song, kind of stuff. So that's regarding the basic riyas. Regarding the songs, we perform a couple of songs on stage, like mixed genres, like we perform pop, folk, fusion, Carnatic, indie pop. So for instance, like in one of the genres, folk, the song which I perform is Asha Pasha. It's my favorite song. Like, in Sufi, I prefer performing Teri Diwani. So we try to render it. We have our own kind of structure for that to render it. And I use kazoo sometimes. Kazoo an instrument like it's a portable Shehnai kind of stuff. So you can use this for like funky type of songs like Petter rap, and even I sing ghazal formatted songs like Tu Hi Re, Aaj Jaane Jitna Karo, Tu Hi Re by Hariharan. It's one of my favorite songs. And we do even spot requests, like you can check it out, Chilipega Chustavela in our page.
Sounds good, Vinod. What are the activities that you've really focused before getting onto the stage?
Yes, first of all, we'll go for the sound check, obviously, like every band does. So I have a pattern, like it will goes in arranged way, like drums, bass, leads, keys, and then vocalist. And the sound engineer will be monitoring the PA. So based on the venue, I'll be using in-ear monitors. So my preferable in-ear monitor settings are keys 20%, vocals 70%, and 10% remaining all the instruments.
So that was quick chit chat with our lead vocalist of our band. Hope you got to know lots of interesting facts that happen backstage from our band singers. If you have more queries, mention them in the comments below and we will respond back soon. Thank you all. This is Priyanka signing off.